ninth chapter, differentiation. This chapter belongs to mathematics 1B, part 18. Last part completed impounded method, substitution method. In this substitution method, some 2 marks problems completed last part. Today part also be explained some 2 marks and 4 marks. Similarly 7 marks. What is that first problem? Tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube over by a into a square minus 3x square. First of all, if any problem, first we have to take that function is y. Put y is equal to tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube by a into a square minus 3x square. In this problem, you can write x is equal to a tan theta. X is equal to a tan theta. Then tan theta is equal to x by a. Theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. Theta equal to what here? Tan inverse of x by a. You can write in this function, in place of x, you can write a tan theta. Tan inverse of 3a square into x square is what here? A tan theta minus a tan theta whole cube whole by a into, here also b a square is there. Here a square nothing but a square minus 3 x square nothing but a tan theta whole square. Okay students, after that tan inverse of 3a square into a cube into tan theta minus a cube into tan cube theta over by, you can separate it power here. After that a into a square minus 3 a square into tan square theta, a square into tan square theta. After that you can write in this numerator which one is common. Here a cube is there, here a cube is there. You can common a cube numerator, a cube common 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta whole by here in these two terms which one is common? A square is common. Here front a is there, a square into a, that is also be a cube into, here a square common 1 minus 3 tan square theta. After that a cube get cancelled, remaining what here? Tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. What is the value of this one? This one formula is there. What is that formula? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta equal to tan 3 theta. What is that formula? Tan 3 theta formula what here? Tan 3 theta already explained trigonometry. You can read trigonometry formulas perfectly. You can easily understood in this substitution method. Otherwise, that is very difficult in this substitution method. Trigonometry formulas are you can perfect. You get easily understood this method. Here 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta value is tan 3 theta. This total value is tan theta. Y is equal to tan inverse of tan 3 theta. Here tan inverse get cancelled. Remaining what here? Remaining what here students? Remaining here y is equal to 3 theta. What is the value of theta? Theta value is what here? Tan inverse of x by a. Derivative on both sides with respect to x. You get what? D by dx of y equal to, here 3 get common, d by dx of tan inverse of x by a. Here this can be as d by dx is equal to 3 into tan inverse x derivative what? What is the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square nothing but x by a whole square. Once again derivative with respect to x by a. In place of x what here? In place of x by a is there. That's why you can write x by a whole square. Once again derivative x by a. After that we can write 3 by 1 plus x square by a square into here 1 by a get common. 1 by a get common, derivative of x is there, derivative of x is what here? 1. After that we can write dy by dx is equal to 3 by, here you can take LCM. What is the LCM? LCM is a square. You can write a square plus x square into here 1 by a. 1 by a into 1 nothing but 1 by a. This can be written as 3a square by a square plus x square into 1 by a get cancelled. Remain what here? 3a by a square plus x square. This is the derivative of required function. What is the derivative? Tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube whole by a into a square minus 3x square. Derivative is 3a by a square plus x. This is also the 4 marks important problem in IB examination. Next problem is y is equal to tan inverse of square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 whole by x. In this function y already is given, that's why you can write put x is equal to tan theta, then theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to tan inverse x. X is equal to tan theta, then theta equal to tan inverse x. You can write in this function y is equal to tan inverse of square root of 1 plus, what is the value of x? X value is tan theta, nothing but tan square theta minus 1 by x value also be, you can write tan theta. Here 1 plus tan square theta value is there. What is the formula of 1 plus tan square theta? 1 plus tan square theta nothing but secant square theta. You can write square root of 1 plus tan square theta nothing but the secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. Why? Because you can write in this value secant theta. You know the second identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta equal to square root of 1 plus tan square theta. You can write that formula. After that, the tan inverse of here secant nothing but 1 by cos theta minus 1 by 1 whole by tan theta nothing but sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta nothing but what here? Sin theta by cos theta. That is equal to tan inverse of, we have to take LCM numerator. Cos theta is the LCM. 1 minus cos theta by sin theta by cos theta. Here numerator denominator having same denominator, that is cos theta get cancelled. Remaining what here? Remaining y is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Here 1 minus cos theta formula is there. 1 minus cos theta formula 2 sin square theta by 2 sin square theta by 2. This is the formula of 1 minus cos theta. Sin theta formula what? What is the formula of sin a? 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. That's why sin theta formula is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. Sin 1 sin get cancelled. Remaining what? Remaining tan inverse of tan sin theta by cos theta by, you can write sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. That's why you can write tan theta by 2. Here tan inverse get cancelled. Remaining you get theta by 2. This is the value of y. After that, what is the value of theta here? Theta value is what here? Tan inverse x. That equal y equal to 1 by 2 into theta value is what here? Tan inverse x. Derivative on both sides with respect to x. You get what? d by dx of y equal to 1 by 2 get common. d by dx of tan inverse x. Here we can write dy by dx. In this dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse x derivative is what? What is the derivative of tan inverse x? Tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. You get dy by dx is equal to what? dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square. This is the derivative of given function, that is tan inverse of square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. Derivative is 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square. This is also the 4 marks problem in IB examination. This is also the substitution method problem. Next problem. This problem, some hint is given, you get total solved. This is the assignment problem. What is that? Y is equal to sin inverse of 2 power x plus 1 by 1 plus 4 power x. Here you can write this function y is equal to sine inverse of 2 power x into 2 power 1 by 1 plus this can be written as 2 square whole power x. Correct or not, students? Here bases are equals to what should be added x plus 1, you get same numerator. Denominator 2 square value is 4 is also be similar. Y is equal to sine inverse of 2 power x into 2 by 1 plus this can be written as 2 power x whole square. You get put 2 power x is equal to tan theta. 2 power x, this 2 power x value equal to what here? Tan theta. Then theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 power x. Theta equal to what here? Tan inverse of 2 power x. That's why you can write in this formula y is equal to sine inverse of 2 into 2 power x value is tan theta by 1 plus 2 power x value is tan theta which is nothing but tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta formula is there, already explained. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta formula is what? 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square theta equal to sine 2 theta. This is the formula. In this formula you can write y is equal to sine inverse of this value equal to sine 2 theta. Then sine inverse get cancelled, you get y equal to theta. Y equal to 2 into theta value what here? Theta value here tan inverse of 2 power x. Here you can derivative, after that derivative on both sides with respect to dx. Here y derivative is dy by dx is equal to 2 into tan inverse x derivative what? Tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. What is the value of x? 2 power x whole square into derivative of 2 power x. Here you can write 2 by 1 plus 2 square whole power x into 2 power x derivative nothing but a power x derivative. What is that a power x derivative? A power x into log a and 2 power x into log a. What is the value of a? 2. This is the answer. After that you can simplify this answer. 2 power x into 2 nothing but 2 power x plus 1 by 1 plus 2 power x plus 1 by 1 plus 4 power x into log 2 plus c. Total problem answer completed. Next problem is y is equal to e power a sine inverse x. Then prove that dy by dx value is this one. This one is prove dy by dx value is this one. Correct or not? Check first of all. Here derivative on both sides with respect to dx. Dy by dx equal to e power x derivative. You can write e power x. E power x derivative is e power x. After that derivative in place of x is what here? X dy by dx of a into sine inverse x. After that dy by dx equal to you can write e power a into sine inverse x value equal to what here? Y into here we get common d by dx of sine inverse x. D by dx of sine inverse x. After that dy by dx equal to ay into sine inverse x derivative 1 by square root of 1 minus x k. What is the derivative of sine inverse x? Sine inverse x derivative 1 by square root of 1 minus x k. That's why you can write dy by dx is equal to ay by square root of 1 minus x k. This is correct or not? Check. A by square root of 1 minus x k. A by square root of 1 minus x k. This is a very important 2 marks problem. These two problems total explained, but shortcut explained. You can write clearly, briefly in class note.